Coming to you live from my garage. I'm working on my 1970 Benelli mini bike, and I patiently waited for this to get in the mail just to have it ripped. Okay, that's generally not common, and it's an old piece. I don't hold the guy accountable for it or nothing. I asked him to help me how to try to connect the two while I mount it on the bike so I can get a good seal. Okay, it's a gasket, it's got to hold the oil back. He did not reply to me, but I know that Super Krazy Glue is part of another one of my videos in my 1971 Lincoln. Putting my oil pan gasket on. That's what I found on YouTube. They say it works, and it does. So you just apply a little bit, because too much is going to be holding you up. I'm going to run it along the seam line, and then I'm going to hold it back. Because I don't want to touch it with my fingers, it'll stick. So I'm going to use my Allen wrenches, and you can even see the score marks within my see, there's one here, and a one on top of where it's actually cut. Yeah, it's not their fault. I mean, it's old. Who knows what happened? I'm not pulling excuses for somebody else's stuff. Guy helped me out. I got my part. Patience. Okay, so gonna let that sit. Won't take long. It's crazy glue. Crazy fast. And trying to get this sold for my son's graduation 2020. Y'all have a good day.